We recently took a trip to Atlanta, Georgia, and while we were there, we realized that Lake Lanier was only an hour away. We drove 47 miles to Lake Lanier and we saw Margaritaville. In this video, we'll take a brief tour of Margaritaville and the campgrounds. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing. In this video, I'll be giving you a brief look at Margaritaville on Lake Lanier. I will post some prices that were on their website. I'm not affiliated with Margaritaville, and this video is not sponsored by Margaritaville. I'll be posting some prices that were on their website as of April 2025, so some things might change. Check out their website for the most current prices. After you pass this roundabout, you'll come to the guardhouse, where you're required to pay a $20 entry fee to enter Margaritaville's property. Once you enter, you can use their restaurants, visit the campground, and even go to their water park. To go to the water park, you have to buy either a daily pass, which is $60, or you can buy an annual pass for $109, and you can go as much as you want. Once you buy the annual pass, you'll get 10% off Camp Margaritaville RV Resort, which I don't know if you can, but you could possibly apply this to an RV lot. You'll get 10% off by having the seasonal pass for the water park. On the property, you'll find several golf courses and even a water park. Fins Up Water Park will open on May 3rd, 2025 for the season. It features numerous water attractions, including thrilling slides like Apocalypso, Georgia's first water slide coaster, Blackout, Mango Mania, and even a wave pool. There is a small beach here that is fenced off. You cannot go in the water at the time of this recording, but through all the research that I've seen, they do not allow you to use the beach here at Margaritaville. I don't know why. There hasn't been an answer anywhere that I could find, but you're not allowed into the water from the beach. You could just lay on the beach and get sun. This was the week of March 23rd, and it was spring break for the kids down in Miami. Everything was still closed here, and I guess their season starts May 3rd in 2025. That's when the Fins Up Water Park opens. But for now, everything was closed and it was very empty. But it still gave us a nice opportunity to take a view of all the property. While it wasn't crowded, we definitely do want to come back. Margaritaville definitely has something for everyone. Here they have a large game room with lots of things to do for kids. Now I will show you various loops and different sites throughout Margaritaville. have site number 60 with a water view. There's your water and sewer hookup. Well, that's going to do it from Margaritaville on Lake Lanier. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful or informative, please consider subscribing so you can see more videos like this one. Thanks for stopping by.